Mana-ke ngikuchazela ukuthi kungani umzimba wakho wazi kangcono ukuthi uzowenzani la emhlabeni and kuyiwona ekudingeka ukuthi ulalele ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuze uzokwazi ukuphila a fulfilling life futhi uzokwazi ukugcwalisa your cosmic purpose. Ulalela umzimba. Checka lana ke. Ukuthi wawungekho la emhlabeni before uzalwe akusho ukuthi wawunga exist, right? Nansi into eyenzakalayo. You were existing as an energy, you were existing as a potential, but bungenayo i-vehicle ekuyile physical body, right? Le physical body yakhiwe yini? Yakhiwe ama-crystals abizwa ngokuthi it's design crystals, ne? Lawo ma-crystals lawo uma wena usaphila kwa-spiritual realm, wona lawo ma-crystals asuke ehlezi at the core of the earth, ahleli nento ebizwa ngokuthi i-magnetic monopole. I-magnetic monopole, njengoba uwazi umagnet ukuthi unama-poles awu-2, north and south. Lesikhuluma ngayo ke i-monopole, it's only having one pole, ne? Right ke, yiza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lo cabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabona ke yonke into inayo i-magnetic monopole kuyona. Mind you ukuthi yonke into ekhona isuka entweni eyodwa, from a single source from one point. So kuyona each and everything there's a magnetic monopole that binds and brings everything together. So if a magnetic monopoly at the core of the earth with that design crystals, by the time ubaba wakhe sezohlangana noma wakho, lawo ma design crystals ayeza azohlala la ontwini la kuma reproductive organs kababa wakho, azohlala khona ama design crystals. By the time elala noma wakho kwakheka wena, kusho ngamanye amazwi ubaba wakho ozi expressa kumama wakho with these design crystal, bese umama wakho eqala ini umsebenzi wani what you call this, cishe ngathi uku-refrigerator. Cha kona uku-refrigerator kodwa khona ligama engilifunayo man. Kodwa yafukameleke leyo process leyo ke izigcine sekwakhe kumuntu. Okay, asizeni lana ke. Ngesikhathi ke umuntu ezokwakheka ke, the first organ ekumele uthi develop noma developer kuqala is the heart. Yabo, that is the first organ developer kuqala. Why it's the heart? I-heart le iyona kanye esuke njani, esuke izohlala ihlala i-magnetic monopole. Yabo, i-magnetic monopole ihlala lana ke kwi-heart. Njobe sekudevelop i-heart nje so sekuhlelini lapho a magnetic monopole lengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi iyona exhumanisa everything, iyona exhumanisa ne-universe. Wena ne-universe nixhumene through what? Through heart. So ihleli lana ke magnetic monopole develop i-heart iphela. So for the first and the second first and the second trimester, shuthi the first 6 months kusuke kuzodevelopeka ini umzimba. We call umzimba that design, right? This is the vehicle ezofaka bani, ezocontainer wena. So the first 6 months so kwakhiwa le design le iziphelele, but i-consciousness isuke ingekho. Shuthi what is there? It is the magnetic monopole together with the design crystals okuthi ni umzimba usuwakhekile, a vehicle, right? Siqhubekeke. In the last trimester, inyangeni yesithathu, the last trimester ngibeka nje the last 3 months kusuke sokuzongenani ke manje the software, the consciousness, right? So sokuzongenani the consciousness. That is why kukhona into ekuthiwa ama-conscious crystals. Yiso kuzongena lento ekuthiwa i-personality ke, lento eyi-personality conscious, ne? Shuthi umzimba is the subconscious. Let's say yizo lonto. So singena ke in the last 3 months sengena ke the software you as in a consciousness, ne? The last trimester. That is why uma ngabe uya lapha kwi-human design chart reading kwi-website yethu okuyi www.akashianmedia.co.za ufica kukhona upersonality ngala, ufice kukhona ubani ngala, udesign. Isho ukuthini leyanto? Isho ukuthi lokho ngala okuphathelene ne-personality yakho, the person you think you are, right, consciously or aware of gona. That design ilokho oku-genetic, okuwufuzo, that is what is in your subconscious or in your design or in your body. It was genetically impacted to you. Ngithiwa yizo indaba. So that is why kunalezo zinto eziwu2 mawufika lapha. Lokho ngala personality, lokho ngala ufuzo, yabo. So uma siqhubeka ke nenkulumo yethu, ithi into ke nakho usukhona ke manje. So into ezintathu engiyibalile la, magnetic monopole, design crystal, conscious crystals. So ukhiye ke la udriver owazi ukuthi uzonzani la, kumele uhambe phi, kumele uthathe ziphi inqumo, kumele kwenzakale. The driver is the magnetic monopole, your heart. That is the driver, the G center. Echatini lakho ibizwa ngokuthi inlonto i-G center, geometry, because this drives you to your correct trajectory or geometry in this world. That is the magnetic monopole, is the driver. That is why they say follow your heart. Uma sasikhuluma nge-design crystal, that design crystal, the body is the vehicle, the magnetic monopole is the driver. And then let us come to your mind, your consciousness, your conscious crystals. Your mind is the what? Is the passenger. Ne? Your mind is what? Is the passenger. So if I can ask you a question, ubani mele a drive imoto, udriver noma passenger? Obviously udriver. Ngoba udriver uyena owaziyo ukuthi kuyiwa kuphi. Umqondo wakho ke, your mind does not know. It's supposed to be a what? It's supposed to be a passenger, not to take decisions about your life. That is why it is crucially important to follow your strategy and authority. Why? Because your strategy and authority will be driven and derived from your magnetic monopole and the design crystal. Ngobani? Njoba umzimba wazi ukuthi yini right for wena, yini ozoyenza la. Umqondo awazi lutho. Ufike umqondo yonke into isi right. Kodwa ayabona ngesikhathi kwakhiwa umzimba wakho, kusuke kwaziwa ukuthi hlobo luni lesystem esizolo hosta la. So ekwaziwa ukuthi inhloboni yesystem esizoyihost. So i-magnetic monopole ne design crystal zenza umsebenzi omkhulu. So kusho ukuthi wena, if you want to take a decision, cease from using your mind. Mind is for analyzing, is for understanding, is for fact, is for knowledge and everything. Yes, to make sense of things. But to take a decision, to pull the trigger whether to do something or not to do it at all, it's not the job of the mind or the responsibility of the mind. It is what? The body. That is why ngithi mina ngokwe-chart lakho, follow your strategy and authority. I can't stress that one enough. Not your mind telling you ukuthi time is rushing. Mawushona ke lezo zinto ziya integrate, ziya disintegrate, conscious crystals iyale ibuya la iqhamuka khona, design and lo kubuyela le la kade kukhona nakho vele.